presenting a tour of the trading course on heat exchangers. The content is broadly classified into description on various heat exchangers, detailed description of popular exchangers, an understanding on TEMA classification, and glossary of text with graphical depictions. Various types of heat exchangers. The different types of exchangers are explained in this course, with graphical explanations and interactivity. Let us take the spiral tube exchanger as an example. The text in the functional package is narrated. Navigation modes of the functional package gives a lot of interactivity, like accessing index sheets at any instant, replaying animations, etc. The tour consists of several randomly selected screenshots of the functional package, like the one shown. Note, the picture resolution in the tour is low, due to video conversion. The functional version has high-resolution picture quality. Detailed graphical depiction of the exchanger, its dismantling, flow paths, and relevant details. User can go back to the index page at any time. The various exchangers are described with intricate graphics and animation. Back to the main content page. The chapter, Popular Heat Exchangers. An in-depth description on 3 popular heat exchangers. Let us see the details of the shell and tube exchangers. Detailed discussions on various topics. Operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance details. Looking into details of type AES. Detailed nomenclature with highlight numbers. Explanations focusing on graphics and animation, for practically oriented understanding. 3D model components on mouse over of nomenclature. Let's try it out. (2D, 3D graphics and models, walkarounds, animated split-up views, dismantling, assembly, individual 3D model components, etc. Flow patterns. Thermal expansion details. Back to the main page. Details like equipment dismantling, hydra testing, and assembly are extensively covered. Hyperlinks show the basic TEMA classification of the exchanger. Going back to the index. A specific chapter on breech lock, high-pressure exchangers. 2D, 3D graphics and models, walkarounds, animated split-up views, dismantling, assembly, individual 3D model components, etc. Topics like tube side construction, shell side construction, and baffles tube bundles are also covered in detail. Back to the popular exchangers page. Similar to the shell and tube exchangers, the popular air-cooled and plate and frame exchangers are also described in detail. Going back to the main content page. The hands-on TEMA chapter develops a better understanding on the TEMA classification of shell and tube exchangers. The game on TEMA selection is an innovative and interesting exercise in making the user understand the classification of exchangers, their basic construction, and the various combination of types. The user is asked to choose a combination of the front end, shell type, and rear end to proceed further. Zoom option gives a clearer view of the various types. Let's try selecting the types and availing the zoom option. Let us choose a popular type of combination, AES. Clicking on the icons on the right brings in images of the types, including all the options, which are provided therein, example single or double nozzle, etc. The user can make a meaningful combination of the same. The feature is available over the entire range, thus imparting knowledge as to the various types, the possible combinations, and in total, a much better understanding on TEMA classification is achieved. Going back. Another interesting topic built in is an interactive questionnaire package to evaluate and improve the understanding on the various TEMA types. The representative, rear-end head type, on which the test is to be taken, is to be selected. Depending on the image selected, the user has to decide on the type of exchanger, which was chosen. Interesting affirmations. Evaluation questionnaires. Selection evaluation. Score and performance ratings. Corrected answer sheets. Going back. Back to the main content page. Conventional and interactive skill tests, certificate printouts, and to summarize it all, a graphically supported glossary of text. The term to be looked into can be searched from an alphabetical listing of content. Selecting the terms leads to explanations with supporting graphics. Thus, with exhaustive content and wide range of features, the course will definitely serve as a comprehensive reference program on heat exchangers.